invite you to close this year 2022 with a positive attitude, with gratitude for everything this year gave us, for what it took away, for what it remained, and for what it taught us. Let's open the pages of 2023 and prepare to write a year that will be full of hope, desire, faith, and goals to achieve, surrounded by the love of our families, that love that warms our homes. From the bottom of our heart, on behalf of my team at CNH Restoration, we wish you a Merry Christmas and thank you very much for all your support.